If you want to know how to make someone your best friend on Snapchat, you've come to the right place. So all we need to do is just simply open our Snapchat app. And then from this page here, just simply go to chat folder if you have the conversation with this guy. If you don't, you can just simply click on your avatar in the left top corner and then scroll down to find my friends right up here. So click on it and all of your friends will be displayed here. So here we can find some friends through search bar if you have a lot of friends. But what if we need to make someone as our best friend? So all we need to do is just simply hit on the necessary guy and then just hold our finger. And then as you can see, we have the option in the top of the screen, pin as your #1 best friend forever. So let's click, and as you can see, we need to subscribe for Snapchat Plus. We need to click on learn more. After that, we'll find all the advantages of Snapchat. We need to click on next, then just start free trial. And after that, we'll be able to pay for the Snapchat Plus, and then you'll be able to add a friend as your best friend. So this is the only one way of how can we add friends as best friends on Snapchat. As you can see, there is no option to do it for free. But if you have, for example, a lot of conversations with this guy, you'll be able to find the chat with this guy in the top of the screen always, because you're chatting a lot. So this is the only one way of how can we make someone your best friend. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Goodbye.